Hey there. Today I'm going to unbox my Hot Ones subscription. So let's see what we got here. Right. Nice and sturdy. I like to make it so that all the heat stays inside. I got this. Yeah. All right. Oh yes. Stay spicy. I sure will. Heatnist.com. What do we have this time? Let's see. September 2020. Oh, look at that. Nice picnic. In this month's episode, Sean puts his truth or dab skills to the test against an all-star gang of seasoned Hot Ones competitors. Caption this cartoon and tag at Heatnist and at First We Feast for a chance to win a free bottle of sauce. Isn't that nice? On the back, hi Spice Lords, and happy September. Thank you. Though cooler weather is on the way, your friends at First We Feast and Heatnist are here to make sure this fall is full of hot questions and even hotter wings, with a new season of Hot Ones starting September 24th. Quite soon. Sean's back in the hot seat, bringing you bigger celebrity names and bolder sauces than ever before. Season 13 is sure to be one for the record books. As always, you subscribers are first to taste all the new flavors. This month, we've got a look at the Season 13 lineup with sauces crafted by some favorite makers from seasons past. Ooh, blast from the past. I just finished watching Dark, so do it. Okay. See if you can guess where each sauce lives in the lineup. Ooh. We've had a lot of fun putting this set together, so I'm sure you'll enjoy Angry Goat Pepper Company's Goat Rider hot sauce. Goat Rider. Let's see where that one is. One of these three. That's the one. Here it is. Goat Rider. Indeed. It's a goat who rides. If only I were this cool. Medium heat cayennes pack a nice upfront punch, while tangy balsamic vinegar opens up the palate. The real star ingredient is a Vermont maple syrup that adds sweetness and the slightest hint of smoke. It's finished with roasted red bell pepper and a hint of ghost pepper for a 1-2 punch of flavor and heat. A must-try on steak, burgers, grilled chicken sandwiches, and more. The Angry Goat Pepper Company's Goat Rider Hot Sauce. Heartbeat Hot Sauce, Scorpion Pepper Sauce. Now that sounds great. Our friends at Heartbeat amped up the heat for the 13th season with a scorpion pepper take on their tried and true formula. The taste, as always, is beyond balanced with sweet peppers, citrusy lemon, and a smack of garlic with a pinch of salt. The well-rounded flavor and hot but not mind-melting spice level means this is our new go-to sauce for eggs, tacos, pizza, wings, practically anything edible. Bring it out of the box. Oh, this is fun. It's like a nice squishy ball. That's the Heartbeat hot sauce. Boom, boom. Scorpion pepper sauce. Oh, it's a Heartbeat hot sauce company's scorpion pepper sauce. This is going to kick me in the butt, or at least do something to my butt. Anyway, we got the Hellfire Detroit's Bourbon Habanero Ghost. Oh, I've had one of their hot sauces earlier today, the Cabernet Habanero. So this is the Bourbon Habanero Ghost. Okay. Taste no evil. Oh, it's very nice. I like you can see how hot it is out of 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. Okay, out of 11, I guess. Out of 10. Glad I counted, because I can count right? 3, 6. Oh, wait. Yeah, out of 10. Because I can do that. So out of 10, it is looking like it's a 7. Yeah, so 7 out of 10 in terms of spice. Okay, the newest offering from Detroit's favorite sauce maker. This sauce takes their classic fire roasted habanero flavor and adds an oaky bourbon blast to light up your taste buds. Lime juice tickles the cheeks right before the slow burn of smoked ghost pepper takes you on a capsicum trip. If I'm going to get hot sauces, I better learn how to say that. This sauce won't melt you down, but it will transport you to a new level of flavor when paired with barbecue, burgers, or roasted chicken. That's the Hellfire Detroit's bourbon habanero ghost. This month's sticker. Oh yeah, got stickers. We always get. I love stickers. Pay tribute to Hot Ones, Truth or Dab. Ooh, yeah, we got. Yeah, Truth or Dab. Vegas, the game, the ride, the experience, the board game. I guess we're the game. And this is the regular Heatonist sticker that I just callously threw down. Yeah, pays tribute to Hot Ones, Truth or Dab, the game, with a nod to the world capital of gaming, Vegas, baby. Yeah. So about that, my camera couldn't take the heat, so I asked it to please leave the kitchen. And then I realized I couldn't do anything without the camera, so I promptly brought it back. Have you gone full Hot Ones high roller and nabbed the game for your squad yet? No, because I don't have a squad anymore. It's not a good time for me. Anyway, we'd love to see your reaction, so be sure to tag us at Heatonist and at First We Feast. Hashtag Hot Ones. Hashtag Truth or Dab. Don't forget to tune in to the Season 13 reveal on Thursday, September 24th to watch Sean intro the rest of the lineup. And one major surprise. After 13 seasons, we're so lucky to have you on this trip. Stay spicy, stay tuned, and stay spicy, y'all. Noah, the founder of Heatonist. Okay, so I'm going to do something a little special. I am going to try these. Okay, all right. Let's see. I'm going to try to figure out how they would be ordered. I think it would be this. Okay, so first is going to be this angry goat pepper. Okay, good. I shaved my nails down today, so I'm trying to figure out how to open this without hurting myself. Okay. Hoping this is the best of the three, so I can say that the goat is the goat. That. It's good. It's yeah, nice, kind of tangy, barbecue-y sauce. Yeah, ooh, I'd like that with definitely some chicken. Maybe a pulled pork sandwich. It'd be really good. I'm already like glad that excuse me, scorpion sauce comes with a squeeze bottle, so that I only get a little bit. Okay, I felt the heat. The heat makes me hiccup. Okay, so now bourbon habanero ghost. Okay, I gotta center myself. Shake it up. Only good stuff. Let's do this. I really hope you can see this going into my mouth and like on my tongue. That way you know I'm doing it. And you'll just think, oh, this is all a lie. Oh, that's really good. Oh, I'm going to put this on everything. This is really good. Because I feel like with hot sauce, I'm more heat than taste. I don't really care much for the taste. I just like the fact that I'm eating hot sauce. But this definitely would go well mixed in with my eggs and mixed in with kind of anything I'm bringing to the table. Like that. Literally. I think it's the apple cider vinegar. Yeah. Plus, It's hot, but it's smooth. Like, as you can see, I'm not hiccuping yet. So I think it'll go well with me, not just my food. Last but not least, it's the scorpion. I believe this is hot, but not X-hot, so we should be good. Yeah, we, as in you're doing any of this with me. Okay. Honestly, I should just, I think it's hot. I think I can handle it. I was just gonna lick this and just be like, that's it. That's all you get. But I'll do more. Trying not to touch anything with my thumb. Kind of licked it a little bit. This, I feel like this, from what I've tasted so far, would go well in some salsa. I like to spice up my salsa. Really angers everybody who tries to share it with me. But I'm like that guy from, or I guess I'm the opposite of that. I try to make sure nobody one bites me. Yeah, from like Nancy Classified. I'm not getting duped. Okay, here we go. He totally touched that. I can feel the heat coming. But it's not bad at first. It's like definitely, like I said, good for a salsa. I think it's because it's got the onions and garlic. Oh, beets. Cool. Tomato paste. Yeah, this would go well next to salsa. It's hot, but I think this really got me. This goat in terms of today is the goat of making me hiccup so much. But fortunately, everything else cooled me down because that's what I am at heart. At heart, I'm a cool, collected man. Hot sauce doesn't do anything for me. Doesn't make me hiccup a little bit. I can handle it. Well, that's it for this Hot Ones unboxing. If you like this, come back. That's all I'll say. I won't say the rest. I'm different. I'm not. I'm not like other girls. Yeah. So that's all I got for you. Bye.